I'm going to show you 10 legit ways which you can use to make active income and passive income online. Before I give you the details, my friend, let me just remind you that my channel is all about making money. I create videos that show people how to make money leveraging the power of the internet. If you're looking for ways and means of using the power of the internet to make money, then my friend, you're watching the correct channel at the right time right now. So click that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so that you can know it each time and every time I drop a video. Without wasting your time, my friend, let's just jump into the discussion. So I'm going to show you 10 legit ways of making money online. You might not need to quit your 9-to-5 job because some of these activities can be done in your spare time. There are two distinct ways of making money online. That is the active income and the passive income. Right? We're going to look into both of them and so that you can know the difference between the two. So with passive income, you work once and the money in theory should start to roll in on autopilot. So you set your money-making machine in motion. And then this money-making machine goes to work for you 24/7, 365. Whilst you are asleep, whilst you are traveling on vacation, whilst you are spending quality time with your loved ones, with your wife, with your husband, with your children, whilst you are on your dream vacation. So with active income, you get paid for what you have done, right? You clock in and you clock out. Then you are paid for the hours that you have worked. You get hired to do a project, you finish it, you submit it, you get paid, and then that's done. So if you do not work, if you do not do anything, then that's the end of your income, right? That's what is called active income. The number one site that we're going to look at today is called Upworks.com. This is an active income site. Why? Because Upwork is a freelance site. People are coming here and they're outsourcing some services, and people are coming here to provide those services. It might be article writing, web design, transcriptions, video editing, and so forth. So this is Upwork. And you can see that there is all sorts of things that are going on here. All sorts of services are being offered on this freelance site. If it is web development, if you click on there, you find that there's a ton of services going on. E-commerce developers, Android developers, mobile back-end developers, game developers, and so forth. So you're coming here and then you create your own portfolio depending on your skills. You can get a job on this website and then you outsource it to another site, which I'm going to show you, okay? And then you'll be charging people per hour right here. It might be $45 per hour, $50 per hour, $100 per hour, right? So all you need to do is to have a striking profile on Upwork, and then once you get a job, you get notified by this website that you've got a job, you've got someone who needs some work to be done. And then you quickly pick the order and confirm it, and then you go to another site, and then you hire someone for a lesser amount of money, and you pocket the difference. So this is the second way you can use to make money online. All you need to do is to create a YouTube channel, and then you start to create content, and you get paid by YouTube. There is the monetization threshold of 4,000 watch hours and 100 subscribers in the past 12 months. You can also be paid on sponsorships. You need now to have a sizable followership of at least 10,000 subscribers. You can also go further and earn some more by using affiliate marketing. I've got a number of videos that I've already made about affiliate marketing. You can check on my channel. The third legit way you are going to make money online, my friend, is Amazon. There's a ton of ways you can use Amazon to make money. But For the sake of time, we are going to look at 3 ways. The first one is called Amazon Mechanical Tech. There are some tasks that the machines cannot do. Yes, artificial intelligence is developing and is taking over left, right, and center. But there are still some tasks that these machines cannot do, the computer cannot do. And this is where Amazon Mechanical Tech comes in. While technology continues to improve, there is still many things that human beings can do much more efficiently than computers, such as moderating content, performing data duplication or research. You come in here and then you register to become a worker. You see the button at the top right there, and then you sign in there, and then you get the tasks that you can do. So the second way you can use Amazon to make money is called Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Self-publish ebooks and paperbacks for free with Kindle Direct Publishing and reach millions of readers on Amazon, right? You publish in less than 5 minutes and your book appears on Kindle stores worldwide in 24 to 48 hours. And up to 70% royalty on sales to customers in the US, Canada, UK, Germany, India, and the list of the countries is here. Make changes to your books at any time. The cool bit about Kindle Direct Publishing is that you go to Upwork or to Fiverr, and then you hire someone to do the writing for you. You just give them a guidance on what to write about, and then they write the book for you, and you pay them a little bit of money, right? If you pay $100 for writing a book, an ebook, or $150 to write an ebook, then you put it on Kindle Direct Publishing, and then you start to make money passively. So the next way you can use Amazon to make money is to join their affiliate program. It's called Amazon Associates. The Amazon Associate program helps content creators, publishers, and bloggers monetize their traffic. So if you've got a blog, you've got a website, you're publishing some content on a blog, on a website, on a YouTube channel, or somewhere, you can get the products that are on the Amazon marketplace. Give you a code to put on your website, and then you start to make money passively like that. The fourth legit way you are going to make money online, my friend, is to do affiliate marketing on ClickBank. ClickBank is one of the biggest affiliate networks in the world. ClickBank is a leading global retailer with its own affiliate marketplace. We enable you to grow with unlimited scale. Over 200 countries, over 20 years old, over $4.2 billion already paid to affiliate marketers, right? And you join for free. The good thing is that you join for free, then you get to their marketplace. It's Click Marketplace. And then on the left-hand side, you see the categories of the different products that you can fish out from this website. Most people are making the most money using the wealth, the health, and the relationship niches. The next legit website that you can use to make some income, my friend, is called Flipper. This is the #1 marketplace to buy and sell e-commerce websites, SaaS businesses, and apps. So you can buy businesses, online businesses from Flipper. You can buy websites, you can buy apps, you can buy domains, e-commerce businesses. You can buy Shopify stores on this website. You can buy an already established drop shipping business, Google AdSense websites. This is a site which is already running AdSense from Google. Or what you need to do is to pay for it, and then you just change it into your name, and then all the process will start now to come to you, the AdSense. You can buy a website, Amazon FBA business. You remember I said there is a ton of ways you can use to make money on Amazon. Yes, you can make money with what they call FBA. fulfillment by Amazon. So what you do is you buy things in bulk from wherever, and then you send them straight to Amazon warehouse. And then Amazon takes over from there. And it does all the shipping, it does all the orders, the customer service. All you need to do is just to watch your account, your bank account swelling with profits. Okay. So you can buy Amazon affiliate websites from there. You can buy also the SaaS business, affiliate websites, WordPress websites, ready-made websites for sale. You can buy everything, right? So you come here and you bid. It's an auction like eBay. So you buy. If your bid is the highest on that particular website or business, then it's yours. You buy it, you get it, right? You can see this one, 2 bids, 7 days left. And it's called mygophysique.com, and it's going for $500, right? So it makes $179 per month. That's the net profit that this website makes. So if you manage to buy it at $500 or $600, in less than 6 months, you are already in profit. So this is how you can flip websites on this website called Flipper. The next site which you can use to make money, my friend, is called Shutterstock. Shutterstock is the #1 rated stock image and video site, right? So how are you going to make money with this site? Scroll down to the bottom of the site. Several ways of making money on this site, but the first one is to sell your content. You take photos with your phone, with your camera. You take those photos and then you upload them on Shutterstock. And then Shutterstock will start to sell them. And when your photo is bought by someone, then you make some money out of it. Okay, right? So it says sell your content. Share your work and start earning. Shutterstock's global community of contributors earn money doing what they love. Now produce high quality image and videos for our customers to download. Upload your content with our easy to use platform, and then you get paid. Make money every time your content is downloaded by one of our worldwide customers. And even more by referring new contributors and customers. You can also make money as an affiliate. You scroll down at the bottom of the screen, and then you click where it says affiliate program or affiliates. Over $1 billion has already been paid to contributors since 2003. This is the next legit way of making some active income, and it's called rover.com. Get paid to take care of dogs. So people love their pets and they can pay anything to make sure that those pets are fine, they are okay, right? So when they are on vacation and they're traveling or they're going somewhere, now you can remain doing dog sitting and you can make some decent amount of money, $80 to $100 per night for just sitting with a dog. You come here and you just click become a sitter right there. And then you fill in get started. Payments are ready for withdrawal 2 days after you have completed a service. That's fantastic. And the next legit way you can use to make money, my friend, is just by teaching. Tech lessons. You come on this website and then you enroll as a teacher and you'll be teaching different things. Teach what you love with tech lessons. Help your students learn new skills each month and earn some more bucks. With hundreds of subjects, the possibilities are endless. Here are a few of our most popular, right? Piano, singing, guitar, violin, drum, Germany, Korean, Japanese, American Sign Language. Have a look at that list. So our next website is called Fiverr. This is the website that I was referring to that you can use in tandem with Upworks, okay? So you get up with Upwork right here, and then you start to charge $100 per hour, and then you go to Fiverr, and then you outsource that job. and then you pocket the difference. Fiverr is a freelance website like Upwork. Thousands and thousands of services that are being offered right here. Graphic and design, music and audio, digital marketing, programming and tech, writing and translations, business, lifestyle, video, animation, right? If you click any of these, you find that there is a whole list: resume writing, proofreading, editing, technical writing, white paper, translation, online language lessons, podcast writing, and so forth and so forth. Right now, you can use this website. Why? Because on Fiverr, the prices are very low. It's called Fiverr because the services are starting at $5. So if you get a job of video editing on Upwork, where you'll be charging, say, $45 per hour, right? You can do the maths, my friend, and you see that you can make a lot of money by just doing freelance business. On number 10 is drop shipping, right? What you do with drop shipping is you open a Shopify store. Then you use an app which is called Obello to connect your store with the manufacturers. Obello will help you to find products, to find trending products that you can put on your Shopify store, right? And then when people buy from your store, they will be buying at your price, not the price of the manufacturer. You put a markup on your product, and then you start to sell your products on your store, on your Shopify store. Get a product, say for $20 from the manufacturer. You can sell your product at $50. So when someone buys your product at $50, then you connect with the manufacturer of that product and pay the manufacturer and instruct the manufacturer to ship the product straight to the buyer. You never have to handle any inventory. Just go on YouTube and type in drop shipping, and you get more information on how to find products, on how to drive traffic to your Shopify store, and so forth and so forth. These are the 10 legit ways that I promised you, my friend. If you found value in this video, let me know in the comments. Otherwise, we'll see each other in the next videos. We'll see you later.